Life isn't as simple as it used to be. We've changed the way we communicate, do business, even socialize. Isn't it time we change the way we use radiation to treat cancer? The fact is, medical radiation machines haven't changed much since the 1950s. Cancer treatment shouldn't be about trying to hit a moving target blindfolded. Now you can actually see the target instead of shooting in the dark. At ViewRay, we believe that the only way to deliver radiation to a moving cancer target is to see it in real time, throughout the treatment. We have the only system that does that. In fact, the ViewRay system is so advanced, the beam won't fire unless the cancer target is in range. Your ViewRay treatment is recorded so you can easily monitor your progress and share it with your family and friends. We're out to target cancer like never before. ViewRay, visibly different.